Good morning. Happy July 4th to all my subscribers. It's your favorite plumber, Plumber J. So me and my wife are out here in the West Virginia area on a tiny home for our 12th year anniversary. And I just want to go over you plumbing in a tiny home. It makes me so happy I can check out the plumbing whenever I go somewhere. That's a downside to being a plumber. So, garden hose comes here from the house, ties into the mechanical box here. Running PEX right here, comes up copper, runs in PEX, comes up this way, main shutoff valve, shark bite, gotta love it, gotta love it. Comes up in here, splits off to your eco temp point of use like you see in European electric and gas European water heaters. Splits up over here. This one is probably propane fed. You see the copper propane line coming right up over there. Comes in here, goes to your sink. Look at that pressure. Woo-wee! All right. Man, and they actually got a P-trap. What do you know? Ain't like Pennsylvania. S-traps. Splits up in here. There's your toilet. Toilet directions. Turn on vent. Make your deposit. Cover with wood chips. Close toilet lid. And then deposit toilet paper in toilet. All grow products go in the trash can. There's your switch. Goes up the vent over here. There's your shower. Nice price fish Delta 1300 series. Gotta love it, gotta love it. And shower. Yeah, this is actually not too bad. Yeah. For tiny home plumbing, ain't too shabby. Pretty simple. Good 6 fuse breaker box. Man, I am loving the mechanical in here. Water heater exhaust pipe right there. Nice and back pitched. Perfect. All that condensate burns right off. That's your exhaust for the vent for the toilet, because the bed sits right up over there, so they don't want to run that all the way up there in case any leaks. And that's it. Tiny home plumbing. Pretty simple stuff, but I do not want to get into it.